Hey guys, Ghost Mafia here. You know, I've been promising you guys a video tour of the house. I think we're going to do that today. In fact, Lady Swan's here with us. We're sitting here on the front porch of the new home. And we just want to let everybody know that we appreciate everything everybody did to help us get into this place, and the fundraisers and all the donations. And you know, it means the world to us and our family. And let's get this tour going real quick. And then after the tour, we're gonna go to Ogilvy Fest with OG, and that's gonna be in this video too. So stick around. Oh, there's the kitty cat. He's made himself at home. So, and as you can see, we're still getting things arranged. We got to get a couch, the big clock on the wall, the living room. As you can see, big TV, fireplace. Oh, somebody's honking horns. The bedroom.
And it's a mess.
It's kind of a mess. Like I said, we're still getting things sorted out and getting into spots. Yeah, turn that light on. That'd be a good thing. Yeah. Another clock. The TV. Got to get some curtains and stuff in some of these rooms yet. Got a lot of stuff to do to the house. Okay, got the baby gates up. Got the kids' room, they got it all locked up. OG's room, we're still working on the nursery. I just painted in here. So we got purple walls, the new crib, getting everything set up, getting everything organized, working on everything. Lady Swan.
Need to get her a bumper pad for her crib.
Yeah, we got to go out and get some bumper pads for her crib because we had her in it and she got her arm stuck in the between the rungs. The bathroom, the Oval Office. Okay, let's go downstairs, shall we?
Yeah, we won't show the kids the room.
Yeah, we won't show the kids the room. It's really a mess. They're still unpacking baby clothes and everything else. The kitchen is kind of a mess right now, but it's a kitchen. The stove, we're going to be trading that in on a new gas stove because the gas stove that was here only half works. The pantry, which we've just got kind of storage in here and stuff like that. And the other fridge, freezer, you know, it's empty right now. Deep freezer. The laundry room is actually pretty big. You know, and we're still getting stuff caught up from the other house. Furnace room. All my tools are just kind of thrown in here right now. I got to get some shelving to stuff I want to put on this wall, get everything organized. Other than that, this is like the basement area of the house. When we go to the office, one room that yeah, you guys probably seen this one a million times now, but not from these angles. Okay, so this is the office, and we got computers and monitors and computers and all the ghost hunting equipment laid out here, all that good stuff. Ooh, I gotta get out here. Zach Bagans is gonna copyright strike me. All right, let's take a look around the outside. Take a look at the yard here. So this is the yard, and in my last video you seen where we had the gas leak. Well, now the meter on the side of the house here used to be up inside of here on the porch, and they moved it to the outside of the house, and there was a gas leak there at the street, and they had this all tore up at like 7 o'clock in the morning. Cab 7 was going to be coming to visit us. And they had the streets all blocked off and everything. They're supposed to be back this week to fix that gaping hole in the street. I haven't seen them yet, but this is the yard. Of course, get this big old huge sycamore tree out here. Huge tree, and there's leaves everywhere. I could rake this every day and there'd be just as many leaves the next day. OG's favorite spot. We come out here and swing when we're swinging. Got a little carport type thing. I got lights up out here. We're still working on that. This back side, I'm gonna build a wall right here and put a bar in here. and do that up, and that upper level up there where that wood is. I'm gonna get rid of that wood. I'm gonna till that up. I'm gonna put a little garden in there, and yeah.
Redo the fire pit.
Redo the fire pit. There's the fire pit that they had here before, and it is just, yeah, no bueno. So that'll get redone. Take a walk out front. Take a look at the front of the house here. Big porch, huge porch. I love the porch. And we got a fire plug right at the corner. So there's the front of the house. A little bit of parking on the side of the house up here. Yeah, I mean, you know, it definitely needs some work. Needs some repairs, things like that. What's that?
Needs a power wash.
Yeah, definitely we got to get a power washer in here because it's kind of dingy. Years of like just road grime or something on the house, but we gotta get a power washer in here. It looks like somebody actually tried to power wash this side. They ain't getting very far though. I wonder, is that aluminum or? Yeah, that's aluminum siding. So we could paint that. And I need to redo this gate and this fence. Now you can see the, I want to paint the roof of that too. Could get some of that fiber thing for like a camper. And then I want to redo the eave around it. That'll probably wait till spring though. So that was our house tour. Like I said, you know, if it weren't for all of you, all the viewers, all my friends out there, all my family out there on YouTube, you know, we wouldn't have been able to get into here. And you guys don't know what it means to have a community like this that comes together in a time of need to help somebody out. And you guys are all awesome for it. My hat goes off to each and every one of you guys. And I know Lady Swan feels the same way.
Absolutely.
So, guys, we're going to take OG and we're going to go over to the Ogilvy Fest in Wheeling, where they do the City of Lights every year. And during Ogilvy Fest, they have a zoo up there. And during the Ogilvy Fest, it's free. So we're going to take OG to the zoo and the Ogilvy Fest. And they got like a carnival and fireworks and all kinds of stuff going on over there. So that's going to be in this video. So let's do that now. Here we are. We're getting ready, getting in the vehicles and getting ready to go to the zoo and Oktoberfest. Me and the OG. What's going on, everybody? Wave to them. Wave to them. Say it's Baby Day Out, Part 1. Getting in the car. We're heading to the Ogilvy Fest. Oh, I know. Yeah, see? Eyebrow ring. No, you can't have one of those yet. You're too young. Okay. We'll see you when we get there. Bye. Who's that? It's OG.
Here, take her. I'm gonna go pee.
He's cool looking.
Did you see that big bird?
Look, here's more. Oh, those are big. Okay. Oh my. Hey, Mom, I see her.
Armadillo running in circles.
What you got to say to your millions and millions of adoring fans? Huh? Go say good. Good. She says, you better like, share, and subscribe to my video. What you looking at? Let's see. Let's get the, oh, okay. You're watching the water, huh? Have to go.
Oh, don't step on my toes.
No, someone spit on you. Ah,
Livy, what are these? Let's go pet the goat. They're all running away.
I'm gonna hug this guy. Oh, here it comes.
What is this, Livy?
Hi.
What is it? See, it's gonna. No, don't make it work. Still the rain version.
Drink some of that.
Alright, so that one's mine. That one's mine. That's yours.
Probably. This is in memory of Amber.
Oh, he's going outside. Well, looks like I actually made it all the way around that zoo. Unfortunately, somebody else got too plumb tuckered out.
There's two.
One's laying down.
It was dead when y'all came here.
OGs Big Day Out. She's passed out sound asleep, missing it all. Didn't make it all the way around the zoo. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the house tour. And again, if it wasn't for you guys out there, I don't know where we'd be right now. So thank you to this whole community. You guys are all great. We love you, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. He's breathing.